Hello, brothers and sisters. God bless. Let's get into the verse of the video. Today's verse comes from the book of Romans, chapter 5, verse 8, and it reads, "But God shows his love for us in that while we were still sinners, Christ died for us." All right, today we're looking at hiking boots. And if this is something you're looking to get into, let me be the first to tell you that these Denali boots from Big 5 were a great purchase and a minimal investment. And let me tell you why. I got these boots for $35, actually 33 and some change out the door at Big 5. So these actually ran true to size, which is the Denali. I got these in a size 13, which is what I wear. These are waterproof, and these are something that are not so expensive that if you end up not hiking or not liking to hike, you didn't waste much money, right? So I bought these going out with a couple of coworkers to go hike, not knowing if it was going to be for me or not. So after wearing these for a while, I decided that I liked hiking, and eventually I went on a long hike, which was pretty much flat ground and blacktop and everything. I went to another town and back, or tried to go there and back. It was 8 miles to get there, and I probably walked another 2 miles back, right? My feet started getting blistered in between my toes, and I actually had to call somebody to pick me up, man. I wasn't able to make it the full 16-mile trip. I went in about 10 miles. So like I said, I got to that next town, and I got maybe about 2 miles back towards my town. But talk about a quick investment that you won't miss out on so much if you decide you don't like hiking. This is an awesome boot for the price. So $35 to get you covered for an experimental boot that's actually waterproof and to get you where you need to get going. I went on numerous hikes with these before I actually took that long hiking trip with these. I have nothing bad to say about these boots. That being said, if you decide you like hiking and you've tried it, man, these Salomon boots right here, the Gore-Tex version, I actually paid $225 for these boots. And first things first, these do run large. I tried a 13 and they were too big. I tried a 12, they were a little too tight, so the 12 and a half was just right for me. So if you do get the Salomon Quest, maybe try on a half size smaller, okay? I actually drove out to Oxnard, which was like a 2-hour trip, and I tried these on in person, and I'm satisfied that I did that because I left with the boot that I wanted with the exact size that I wanted. I really like these boots, man. I've went on numerous hiking trips. I took these to Mexico in rough terrain, rough mountain area. Wasn't no problem. These are actually Gore-Tex, so they're for waterproof weather. And I haven't stood in no puddles. I did walk through the rain. It felt good. I hadn't stood in no puddles, but they say these boots are waterproof up to the ankle area. And as you can see in this ankle area, it's got a cinch down right here for the boot and laces. That cinch right there, man, I don't know about the placement or the grip that it has on there. It allows you to really tie these boots in a great, tight, comfortable position. I really like these boots, man. Yeah, they are an investment, but I've worn these numerous times on numerous hikes for quite the length. Never had a problem with these boots. For what they are, they're beefy, but they're light, and they're extremely comfortable. The front has got I would consider it like a reinforced toe for as far as in a hiking boot. It's not super firm, it's got some flex in there, but for a hiking boot, it's more than enough solid. You're not going to be running or riding bikes in these things, so it's more than enough solid. It's got like a shock absorption heel and sole. This thing is, look at that, it's rugged, bro. So just so you know, this thing is well worth the investment. I'm super happy with this. It's actually got a material right here that allows for breathability and cool air to run through. I've worn these boots in hot weather. I didn't walk around like, oh man, I can't wait till I get these boots off. I was concentrating on finishing my hike, and my footwear was never a problem. So these boots right here, the Salomon Quest, and check out their logo right here. Salomon, time to play, right? When it comes down to playing and getting down to business, I'm willing to rock these and willing to bet that these boots will outlast almost any other boot. Yeah, they're a little bit pricey, $225, but I've taken these on numerous styles of terrain, numerous lengths of hikes, numerous styles of weathers. And this boot got me all the way through in comfort and got me all the way through the end. When I decided to start these hikes, I would tell myself, we're going to make it from beginning to end. This boot has not let me down. It let me finish my whole journey in peace and comfort and never having to worry about my boot, my feet, or ever slipping or anything like that. I highly recommend these boots. This is not just an unboxing review. This is an actual tried and true review. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I buy things with my own money. But even if I were to be sponsored, I'll always make sure to give you guys an honest and thorough review. And that's how I feel about the Salomon Quest. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. So yeah, the Salomon Quest. Thank you for your time, brothers and sisters. God bless.